How to add your father's name on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your father's name on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook, click these three lines here, settings and privacy, settings, and go down, click this one, profile information, and click add other name, and now click here and select father's name and type your father's name here and then click save. Or if you want to show your father's name at top of your profile, just turn this one on and then click save. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.